If you just installed your main board in your 4K XBR Sony TV and you're getting an orange and green flashing light, this is what you need to do to resolve that issue. If you purchased a repair service for a mainboard from our website, we'll have already provided you with this flash drive for the pairing procedure. If you have not and you bought a replacement online, then you won't have this flash drive, but I'll show you right now how to get the files programmed onto this flash drive. On the SonySupport.com website, you're going to enter your model number in the search bar, XBR-55X930D in our case, enter, then the downloads button, the firmware update button, and then click on the downloads again, scroll all the way down, and finally download again. Now the software is downloading to your computer. You're going to want to extract it to your flash drive and make sure it's a 4 gigabytes at least flash drive. This process is going to take a minute or so. Once it is completed, we're going to rename it to upgrade_loader.pkg. So whatever it is currently named, delete that and write in upgrade_loader, LOADER.pkg. Then you can close it out, remove the flash drive, and bring it back to the TV. If you're having issues programming your flash drive, we do have them available for sale pre-programmed. I'm simply going to be installing the flash drive in any of the 3 USB ports here, and then I'm going to plug in the TV. If you take a look, the flash drive will start flashing a red light, and that will indicate that the pairing procedure is starting. In addition, the white light at the bottom will also slowly start pulsing. Let's flip the screen around to show you that pulsing I'm talking about. It looks like the pairing just completed and the TV turned back on. It looks like it's currently on the initial setup screen. So at this point, we can go ahead and safely remove our flash drive. It is very important that you do not prematurely remove the flash drive or disconnect the TV from power. If you do that, you will break the main board and you'll have to either replace it or send it in for repair. If you found the video useful, please leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.